university. First day, beginning of a new semester of a fifth sem, and somehow I am not even not excited. Not I am kind of sad because I really don't want it to go back, as I have the habit of staying home, watching dramas, waking up late, and kind of stuff. So it's going to be a bit hard for me. So all routine get changed. Like I used to stay up late till 2 p.m., 1 p.m., and used to sleep around 3 p.m. every night. Then and used to wake up sometimes 11, 11:30, 12, and there were times like that. And I'm sure it will took me like 1 week to set my routine, because as I told you that my routine it was totally out, and now I don't know how I'm going to manage. Honestly speaking, right now I'm feeling a bit sleepy, not bad but actually a lot sleepy, because as I told you that habit got finished. And even though but every day now I have to change my routine and wake up early morning. So all the things, and even I don't like to have breakfast in the early morning, because like um, I just cannot have breakfast. Like I just don't like eating anything in the early mornings. Like I just go without having a breakfast in my university, and then I have to wait for a whole time till the break time comes, and then I have to eat. So as I will show you my university, and I thought that I should vlog it, as after 6 months I'm going to university, and it's the first day of waking up and stuff. So I just wanted how I am feeling right now, and how all the routine and the things will go entire day, like from waking up early morning till having classes and then going out. And the thing which I don't like, honestly speaking, that I have just received my timetable last night before opening the university. So I have checked that the thing which I didn't like was that like there will be one teacher for whole day in the same class. For example, is if it's social linguistics class, like I have different subjects this semester: social linguistics, international relations, environmental studies, and there were two more. I'm just cannot remember: Pakistani literature and literary criticism. So I was telling you about my subjects. My subjects in this semester are international relations, social linguistics, environmental studies, Pakistani literature, and literature I didn't like. So I checked my schedule. It's normally doesn't happen, but this time, like Monday, it will be only social linguistics class. So God forbid if something happen, and if I don't go one day. So like there are 4 periods in one class. We have 2 periods, then break, and then after that 2 periods again. So if I didn't go one day, so it will gonna be a lot of loss. So that's what I didn't like it, because the timetable I don't like this way. Like I like that, for example, there should be for social linguistics class, then international relations, then literary criticism, then Pakistani literature. So that's how I like it. So this that's my college. That's my right. To university we are going. How beautiful park. इवेंट के दोस्त हैं, ये सारे बहुत अच्छे हैं। इनमें से ये कश्मीर की हैं, और the main road of we are near Khan School. My school is over that side, and hospital as well. And you can see how much people are there. It's early morning, and after a long time, we are going out in such early morning because of lockdown. Lots of food places. This is Hadley, and we are going to the university. Are almost near the university, and that's my university, National and we are they are checking temperature sides of our university. And this is new. We have now indoor games with us, CCTV cameras, Wi-Fi, and now Wi-Fi will support cafeteria, mosque, library and stuff, computer IT lab. Plus, this is where else our university is located. Islamabad is our main campus, and right now I'm studying in Karachi one. So this is all about it. And I honestly love this banner. And recently, I love playing tennis, table tennis, and other games. I'm very sporty person. So they have just insider. There is table tennis. My RD, I just met him, and he have told me about all this stuff. So it is going to be great. And now I think that this is how I'm showing you a bit of my university, not too much. I'll do a complete tour inside my class, sitting here. This university canteen. This is my lunch. I love macaroni, and this is my favorite part of this university, and of course Pepsi, because Pepsi is my life.